1. How do you integrate GenAI into your day-to-day development workflow? I use GenAI tools like GitHub Copilot as coding assistant. When I start writing code, Copilot suggests lines of code based on what I'm typing. It helps me with function templates, API usage, and logic structure. I don't fully rely on it. I always review and test its suggestions. It speeds up development, especially for repetitive or boilerplate code. 2. Can you explain how you've used retrieval-augmented generation to optimize or debug a system? RAG combines AI with external data like documentation, logs, or past issues. Once our system had a recurring error, instead of manually searching logs, I used RAG with a vector store to feed past logs and documentation. The AI matched similar issues and pointed me toward a misconfigured setting. It saved time and gave an accurate root cause. 3. Describe a scenario where an AI code assistant helped prevent a production issue. I was writing user input code and Copilot suggested a version that avoided SQL injection using parameterized queries. If I had written the code manually, I might have forgotten that. AI helped enforce secure coding practices, reducing the chance of a security bug going live. 4. What are the limitations of relying on AI-generated code? How do you mitigate those? Sometimes it gives incorrect or incomplete suggestions. To mitigate this, I always review and test the output, provide clear prompts, follow coding standards, and treat AI as a helper, not a replacement for critical logic. 5. How do you validate or test code generated by AI tools? I write unit tests and integration tests to check the code's behavior. I also run the app and look for edge cases. If the code touches critical logic, I manually step through it. Testing and code review are essential, even for AI-generated code